We were in desperate straits. We couldn't work out what to do. We knew that was a unit had water leaking, but they wouldn't cooperate. And so out of desperation, we found Fair Water meters, and there hasn't been one complaint since, because everybody's happy, including tenants, because they know now that whatever water they use, they get charged for. The landlord doesn't up the rent, and that sort of thing. So everybody's happy, and the 3 water leaks magically got fixed.
Well, I thought there must be a better way in this day and age. There must be something whereby people in complexes that don't have water meters can get water meters individually installed and their own fair bills for the water that they use. And I mentioned it to my husband, who's technical and has a sort of technical background, and he started investigating and travelling, and he discovered the unique solution that we're trying to bring to Australia.
I managed to find the Ecometer that has a reliable remote reading system with intelligent leak detection, so it can pinpoint leaks in every unit. Traditionally, it costs a fortune for people to install submeters, but with our product, it's so quick and easy. Our valve meter can be installed in 10 minutes.
Installing the Fair Water water meter, especially the valve meter, is as easy as isolating the water to the property, and then it's nearly just a tap swap out or a washer change. You basically screw the components into the tap body and you're done.
Water is something I care really deeply about. I grew up on a farm, so I've seen firsthand the impact of drought and flood on communities.
Everybody has an individual water meter, can therefore measure his or her own water consumption and therefore do its little bit to drive that water consumption down. I think that helps everybody and help us all to move towards a more sustainable future.
So simple, and they're nice and they're tidy, and they're so good you never even think about it. You're just really glad when you get the bill to see the water staying about the same. In fact, we are saving water now.
There are millions of people out there whose frustration and anger and disharmony in their communities can easily and affordably be ended by just using this very good world-class product.